Jinn, the word comes from 𝐁𝐚𝐽𝐻, from root 𝐁𝐚, and it means he was hidden. This is the reason why the deep darkness of tonight is also called Jinn. Our interest is beings which are not perceivable through our senses. We believe in Jinn, of course, because in Qur'an 𝐻𝐻𝐿 22 times the word Jinn as beings different than angels and humans has been recited. For example, at Hijr 17, we have guarded it against every rejected devil, or Enroll 112, Jinn devils, or Rahman 15, Ma'arij, created from smokeless fire, and 130 messengers also for them. So we know that the jinns, they receive also messages. And of course, we know that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam had a meeting with them. And in our belief, jinns exist. In many spiritual traditions and religions, we find the jinns under different names. In Christianity, you know, the exorcism ceremonies. In Jewish religion, minyan is a kind of exorcism. In Hinduism, Bhagavad Gita, also in Zen Buddhism. What is the prevalence? The Vatican sources say about 5 or 6 cases over 1,000 cases. And they also mentioned that some of psychiatric disease could be also in relation with these influences. For example, bipolar disorder, affective or bipolar disorders, they can, during affective and bipolar disorders, some cases of influence has been observed. What are the signs? The signs, first of all, strange foreign language. People speak strange foreign languages. They have knowledge about faraway hidden things, premonition, healing potential, fantasies, subjective conviction on other people, convincing other people, facial tics, a very special dullness of the eyes, and a very special green, grayish shining. This is my personal observation. The eye is different. You see there is something different. This is not nur. You know, nur. You know, old person, old lady with nur. We all know. This is something else. And non-voluntary shoutings, or in our culture, repeating of the holy names unnecessarily, or insult for holy names. These are the signs. Some of them, not all of them, have general negative feelings also about the religion.